Hi everybody, my name is Gladys. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will share what you can save your money on. Don't waste your money on skincare products that are overpriced, especially for those expensive, luxurious skincare products. So if you want to know more about how you can save money, let's get started. So I have picked two products from this luxurious brand called Cle De Peau. So this brand is quite popular in Asia for their foundation, and it's quite pricey given how much product you're getting. Now let's talk about the serum first. This serum is called Le Serum. Very French, same as the name. It's either owned by Estee Lauder or by L'Oreal, either one of them. When I looked at the ingredient, how much they're charging for this product, I was like, how could you? So first of all, how I choose a product, whether it's good for my skin, whether I'll go ahead and purchase it, is I look at the ingredient list, what kind of ingredients that are included in this particular product, whether it's fragrance free. I talked about fragrance in skincare product in my other video. I'm going to link that video in the description box down below. Basically, my skin is rosacea prone skin and I have very sensitive skin, and so I have rebuilt my skin barrier. However, I don't want to go down to the path of possibility of any kind of contact dermatitis. I've talked about fragrances in my fragrance video, so make sure you check that out. I tend to go for products that is fragrance free. And the third thing is I will look at whether that product would have any kind of scientific research or testing that they have done that support their claim. You know, how much improvement you will get from using this product for X amount of time. Let me tell you a little bit more about the serum. So the serum is, the third ingredient is denatured alcohol. I mean, you pay $160 US dollar for 30 milliliter, and the third ingredient is denatured alcohol. They give you alcohol for that price. This product actually claimed to be able to give you moisturization. It gives you that glowing effect because your skin is plumped and moisturized, and also that give you more supple, like more radiant. I just don't know why people would get it. Like, seriously, this is just not that great. The ingredient is denatured alcohol. It's going to dehydrate, irritate your skin. For people especially who have sensitive skin, you don't want to use that on your face. I can see a bunch of moisturizing agent, humectant, like glycerin, and then they have trehalose. Trehalose is a type of sugar that has water binding properties, so it would rehydrate any dehydrated cell. So this is the ingredients that could potentially give you more moisturization on your skin after you've applied this serum. However, it contains fragrance. It had like 4 different types of fragrances. It also has some flower extract, and I'm sure it's just part of the smell sensation that these flower extract is giving you. It also contains some other plant extract like ginseng root extract. Also has perilla leaf extract. So all these extracts are below the 1% mark. I don't know how effective are those ingredients. It's going to work on your skin. One, it doesn't have any kind of scientific research telling you how much improvement you will get from that product. It's just going in blind, hoping that this skincare product would make a difference to your skin. Don't do that. Don't waste your money on this. The second product is the Hydro Clarifying Lotion. Now, this product is sold as US $122 for 170 milliliter. So this product is not as bad as the serum. Doesn't contain any alcohol. It has moisturizing ingredients such as glycerin, and then also has dimethicone, and it also has the trehalose. This is a type of sugar that has water binding properties, so it would rehydrate your dehydrated skin. It also has some antioxidant extract, other ingredients that could give you a bit of an antioxidant. It also has hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic. However, it also has a bit of the coloring included in this particular product, and then it also contains fragrance. I have another video talking about what product you can save your money on. Toner is one of it. You don't really need toner. If you have a very good moisturizer, you have cleansed your face properly, you have a very good serum, and you exfoliate your skin regularly, you don't really need that toner. Toner is just an extra step. You can save your money on this $122 product. Next up is Le Mer. Yay! The brand is mainly on algae seaweed. So seaweed is actually rich in carbohydrates. In a laboratory study, they show that it actually has better water binding properties than HA, hyaluronic acids. And another study also showed that when being used on human skin, it would have better hydration and promote firmness on your skin. And seaweed also has anti-aging properties that prohibits the enzyme that causes wrinkles or photoaging, and also degradation of your elastic fiber, the firmness of your skin. So seaweed is an awesome ingredient. When I was going through my Instagram, I saw this advertisement from them, from La Mer, promoting their serum, and I saw a friend of mine was using the serum as well. It's called the Concentrate. So this product was sold as $322 for 30 milliliters, so even more expensive than the one from Cle De Peau. I didn't see much of a claim of what else. It's just like a very beautiful woman or celebrity using their product and their skin look gorgeous. This is what I used to do, as a marketer. Just give people an illusion of, oh, if you buy this product, your skin is gonna look that gorgeous. But all these photos are photoshopped and retouched. A lot of times not because of the product they have used, because of the celebrity herself got beautiful skin already. That's another story for another time. This product, the Concentrate, it's not as bad as the Cle De Peau one. It has humectant in it. It has a bit of a soothing effect from the product itself. It has glycerine, it has the algae extract, the seaweed, it has dimethicone. So all these are very good humectant. Gives you a bit of that moisture in your skin. It also has antioxidant in it, niacinamide. It could soothe your skin, give you a bit of this oil control. It also has fermented yeast, so it's a type of prebiotic, so it could help your skin to renew itself, help your skin keep the balance of your skin microbiome balance. So it is actually good for your natural skin barrier. However, just like every other luxurious brand skincare product, they added fragrance. So they added rosemary oil, basil oil, lavender oil. So all these essential oils are very sensitizing. These kind of oils is relatively more easily degrade over time due to oxidation or exposed to heat. These kind of essential oils, when they break down, they will produce byproducts. And these kind of byproducts, it's very sensitizing for your skin. When you have opened this serum to use, you might not experience any kind of sensitivity for the first, say, half a year. And then you've used it almost towards the end, and then you start seeing rashes on your skin because the lavender oil in the bottle starts to degrade. You're paying $320 for a bottle that could sensitize your skin. Even though it has seaweed extract, which is a very good humectant, it has a bit of a soothing properties, it's good for your skincare barrier. However, it has fragrance and essential oils that could potentially sensitize your skin. Do I want to pay $322 for this kind of risk? No. So I would buy something else other than this. The third product is, everybody knows about it, is the SK2 Essence. The formulation of this product is very, very simple. Mainly, you are just paying for their fermented filtrate. They label it as Terra with some bit of a solvent and then preservative. The rest of the product is a preservative. So I'm gonna go back to the 3 criteria I choose a skincare product. Product is good, the ingredient is good, fermented skincare. The second thing, even though it doesn't have this human test, it has research on these ingredients benefit on our skin. It could potentially help to rebuild our skin barriers. When I first used this essence, I had really bad skin allergy to this particular product. I don't know why, my skin just didn't take it so well. This product is sold as $185 for 60 milliliter, which is slightly more expensive than the Cle De Peau Hydro Lotion. First of all, this product doesn't have any kind of added fragrance. When I used it, I didn't really enjoy it. It irritated my skin. I know they had spent a lot of money on marketing, having different kind of spokesperson. They advertise on YouTube, they advertise billboard. I know people rave about this, but there are other alternatives that could have the similar effect, that you don't need to spend that much money on this particular brand, because most of the money that you spend, this is something that I learned as a marketer for skincare brand, most of the money that you spend on a particular product goes to the marketing. Company use a big chunk of their yearly allowances on marketing, because marketing is very expensive, and also PR. You know, they do press conference, they would use relationship with the media to talk about this particular product. So a lot of money goes into the marketing people. So I would say you can save all this money with the rise of Korean skincare brands, skincare products. Thanks to them, there are dupes for this particular filtrate, ferment filtrate, and I know some of you already know dupes, including the Time Revolution from Missha. It also contains some fermented filtrate and also contains niacinamide that could help soothe your skin. I personally have used the Missha Time Revolution. It does make my skin feel more soft. Another dupe is Secret K Starting Treatment Essence. Secret K would have more similar ingredients to the SK2 ones. I personally haven't used it before, but I would say they would have a pretty similar effect on your skin. Save your money, you know, you don't need to buy all these really expensive SK2 products. You can save money on buying from Korean brands. They pretty much do the same thing. The next product is their Advanced Night Repair Complex. This product is retailed as $105 for 50 milliliter. This is much cheaper than the La Mer, the concentrate. This product is actually a very good formulated product, and no wonder Estee Lauder is able to charge a premium for this particular product. This product has a lot of research behind it. It tested it on human skin. The ingredients itself are very good. Humectant, it could help to rebuild your skin barrier, help your skin to repair itself. It would give you that radiant glow for your skin. And then this product also contains tripeptide, which could potentially boost collagen production. Also has hydrolyzed algae, so seaweed. It also contains seaweed, and it has caffeine. It doesn't have any kind of fragrances, though there are some color dye at the end of the list. This product is really well formulated, and it also has this patent technology called Chronolux power signaling. Basically is a combination of different ingredients that could send signal to your skin to repair itself. Basically, they're just triggering how your skin repair itself at night. That's why it's called Advanced Night Repair. For me, if you have the money, give this product a try. This product combines a different function. It soothes your skin, it helps to repair your skin. It is a very good humectant. I personally would rather spend on products that would give me any kind of anti-aging effects like tretinoin or retinol. They are less expensive compared to this particular product. At the end of the day, skincare products are supplement. If you maintain your body with a healthy internal organ, you eat healthily, you exercise regularly, your natural skin barrier, your skin cell would actually become more healthy. I would rather spend money on eating healthier, eating fresh fruit and produce every single day, instead of spending money on this Advanced Night Repair. I would spend money on protecting my skin, having a good sunscreen, eat well, sleep well. And so that's my take on this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have more video on how you can take care of your skin at the end of this video, so you can check them out. If you have enjoyed what I've shared today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!